everyone, thank you so much for tuning in today to the iNatural Body channel, where we are doing another product demonstration for you. And today's product demonstration is half of one of the Fearless Rose bath bombs. It's made with some beautiful skin loving products, and I'm preparing a bath and thought I would use this half that didn't stay put together. I'm not sure why, but all of the other ones did come out very nicely, but I am going to use this half, and I gave the other half to my little girl. But as you can see, I have some embeds. The embeds, excuse me, are made from a 1-to-1 ratio, and shout out to Irene over at Bathbomb. She provided that recipe for me, and the recipe for the bath bomb itself is a 2-to-1 ratio. The dried rose petals came from some flowers that I received. So let's go ahead and give it a test, shall we? And there is no polysorbate 80 in this one. However, there is SLSA. So I'm going to set it into my bath. And I must say, this is real time. Does. I absolutely love this recipe. I love this new recipe.
And it's fading pretty fast.
That's the part that I like the most about it, because a lot of times your bath water is ready, and when you put the bath bomb or the bath fizzy in there, you don't want to wait forever for it to do its business, so to speak. And so this recipe is fast, it's straight and to the point, and I like it. And so I am formulating every one of my recipes using this particular recipe, and I'm not using any other one. So I love this new recipe, and I've tested quite a bit, so I'm happy with the end result. So this is what it is, and it's just very natural, and it smells very good. I hope this video is beneficial to you and you enjoyed some light jazz while watching our product demonstration. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. This is Sonia saying thank you so much, and please subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thanks, and have a good day. Bye.